Good morning, class. Today we are going to do our new topic in set concepts, that is operations on sets, children. First topic is union of sets. The union of two sets, children, let the sets be A and B, in which, children, it contains elements either from set A or from set B, children. Now you can understand this with the help of an example. Let set A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set B is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10. Now A union B, you will write it like this: A union B, children. ठीक है, तो elements from set A and also from set B all together will write over here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of A and 4 and 10 of B, because 6 and 8 we have already written. I told you in my previous video that, children, each element will be written only once. Okay, so for any two sets A and B, A union B, set containing all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. Now, children, next comes intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets is the set which contains elements common to both A and B. Again, the same example we are taking over here. A is having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements and it is having 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection. Now this is the symbol of intersection. Can you see, children? Now what are the elements? 5 is here but not here. 6 is here and here also, so 6. 7 is here but not here. 8 is here also, so 8. 9 is here but not here. Similarly 10 is here but not here, so 6 and 8. Answer. Then comes, children, next is difference of sets. The difference between two sets A and B is taken as, we'll write it the same way like A minus B or B minus A. But A minus B means elements in set A and not in set B. We'll write those elements which are in A but are not in B. Again, the same example we are considering over here, children. A is this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and B is 4, 6, 8, 10. Now those elements which are in A but not in B. 5 is here, not here, so write it. 6 is here and here also, don't write it. 7 is here but not here, so write it. 8 is here and here also, don't write it. 9 is here but not here, so take 9 also. Remember, we are taking those elements from set A which do not belong to set B. Okay, similarly when we are doing B minus A, so we'll take those elements from set B which are not in set A, children. So 4 is here but not here, take 4. 6 is here also. 8 is here also. 10 is here but not here, so we'll take 10. Now all these things have been summarized in this box, children. Okay, now again one more example is here. A is this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and set B is 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, now you will do all the 4 operations over here. A union B, taking all the elements of A and B. A intersection B, taking only common elements which are in both the sets. Then A minus B, taking only elements belonging to A and not to B. Then from B minus A, only those elements which are from set B and not in set A. Done, children? Now comes cardinal properties of sets. Now this is your cardinal number A union B. For any two sets, children, A and B, cardinal number A union B means NA, that is cardinal number of A, plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number A intersection B, which is common to both of them. You will subtract that. Similarly, if this A intersection B goes this side, the formula changes. Cardinal number of A intersection B is equal to cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A union B. If A and B are disjoint, means nothing is common in these two sets. A intersection B is empty set. It is empty, nothing is common. So their cardinal number is 0. So in this case, we'll keep this value as 0. So cardinal number of A union B is cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B. Then cardinal number of A minus B is cardinal number of A minus those elements which are common in both of them. So cardinal number of A intersection B. Similarly for B minus A, cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B, children. Now let's start with the examples. A is given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is given 4, 6, 8, 10. First of all, find A union B. So take all the elements of A and union take all the elements of B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 6 I already written. 8 and 10. Then A intersection B, children. So what is common in them? 4 is here, 4 is here, okay. 6 is here, 6 is here, okay. So common we have taken. Now cardinal number of A, children. How many elements are in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Cardinal number of B? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Then cardinal number of A union B. Now count this thing, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Fine. Then cardinal number of A intersection B. So how many elements are there in A intersection B? 1, 2. Then find cardinal number of A minus B. So cardinal number of A minus cardinal number of A intersection B. So 5 minus 2, 3. We have used formula, okay. Otherwise you could have also done like this. First find A minus B and then write its cardinal number. But we have used the formula over here. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now you will do this exercise 13D. Okay class, thank you, have a nice day.